Hi, welcome back. My next guest is Dr. Ted Masino, licensed clinical psychologist and vice president of Masino Therapy Services. And my new co-host, therapy dog, is Layla. She works with Dr. Masino. Okay, first let's talk about your clinic and what you do there, and then we'll get to Layla, because I'm sure everybody wants to hear all about what she does. But first, tell me about your clinic and what you do.
Well, we just opened our clinic in November. It's called Masino Therapy Services. We provide a wide array of mental health services between my wife, Jennifer, who's also a licensed clinical psychologist, and myself. We provide psychological testing, therapy, for children as well as adults. We also go out to several of the nursing homes in the area for Medicare and see some of the older adults as well. And we do provide animal-assisted therapy, which is one of the specialty things that we provide at the clinic.
Okay, so tell me more about the animal-assisted therapy. Do you just have one dog?
We have two. Lucy and her sister, this is Layla, and her sister Lucy are our two therapy dogs. And they are certified through Therapy Dogs International as therapy dogs. They've worked with us for several years. She's about 10 years old now. And she was a Red Cross volunteer when we were stationed in Germany. We were previously military psychologists as well, and they would go and visit some of the injured soldiers over there, and they work within the clinic for us now. And the advantage of having an animal-assisted therapy program is that just petting a dog lowers your heart rate and lowers your blood pressure. So it's very helpful when it comes to helping people calm down, especially with younger kids and such, or people who have anxiety disorders, to allow them to calm down and be able to engage in therapy a little bit easier. So it does help kind of break the ice a little bit.
And she is very calm. I have a puppy at home who's kind of spazzy right now, but this dog, I've noticed when we were doing the other segments and we'd take a break, she comes up to me and is just very, I mean, she does have a very calming effect.
Yeah, she loves her job. She loves to get anyone to pet her that she can, and really that's what they do. Once they pass their temperament testing and their canine good citizen test and they're certified, basically this is what she does. She sits there and lets people pet her, and it helps them relax and calm down. And just having that available is something that's specialized, that makes us a little bit special, different from most clinics.
But she's got a real talent, it seems, because she's not real pushy, but she just, I was joking that she was saying I needed therapy because she just comes up and kind of leans on me, but you said that's what she does. She just comes up to people and just allows you to pet her and I guess just calm down, right? Yeah,
that's exactly right. It keeps their hands busy. It allows their body to calm down. Just petting a dog.
Focus on something. Focus on her.
Yeah, focus on something else. But works especially well with children because if you keep their hands busy, it helps them kind of ease into doing therapy and so forth.
And then you and your wife can do your good work in talking to them.
Correct. Yeah, and try to figure out how to help them with whatever issues that they have. Jennifer works mainly with adults, and she also ran the alcohol and drug program at Hurlburt for 3 years. So she has experience dealing with substance abuse problems, and she's also kind of carved out a little bit of a niche in the area for postpartum depression.
Okay.
And stuff like that. So, and then I see a lot of children and adolescents, and I also do see adults, but most of the time I'm seeing children and adolescents.
Do Layla and her sister, is it Lisa?
Lucy.
Lucy. Do they live with you?
Yes, they are. They are our pets as well. So everyone in the family does therapy.
Oh, okay. That sounds great. All right. So if someone wanted to make an appointment to see you, do they have to tell you that they also want to see the dogs, or are the dogs there all the time? Or
usually what we do is we bring one of the dogs into the clinic most days. They're kept in different areas just in case there's someone who has a dog phobia or has an allergy or something like that. And then we ask and we offer that if they would like to have a therapy dog in their session with them. And if they say yes, then they get to come in and work.
Do most people say yes, or is it 50-50?
Yeah, most of them are like a little bit like, really, you have a dog and and stuff, and then they're good with it.
That's a different thing, but it seems like a really neat thing. So if someone wants to make an appointment to come and see you or your wife, what do they need to do?
They can either go to our website, www.masinotherapy.com, or they can give us a call at 850-424-5210.
Okay.
And talk to our office administrator, Carla, and she will get you an appointment to come in, and if you want to mention the dogs, that you'd like the dog there, then we'll make sure that one is available for you.
Okay. And you mentioned before we started the segment that you had a couple of promotions going on.
Yes, we do. We are doing we are offering a free 30-minute consultation for anyone who comes in. Basically, to kind of break the ice, a lot of people don't necessarily understand mental health services or how it might benefit them, so they can come in and talk about it without filling out any paperwork or having any fees or anything like that. To ask some questions, see if it's right for them and stuff like that, and we can answer the questions and hopefully make it a little bit easier for them to engage in therapy if they feel like they need to. And the other promotion is, since we are on this side of the bridge and we do get some patients coming over from the Mid-Bay Bridge from Niceville, is we are reimbursing folks for their toll fees.
Oh, that's a neat idea.
Both ways for them to come in. So
where are you located exactly?
We're on Airport Road in Destin, just across from the Destin Airport area. We used to be in the urgent care center, and then we left there to open our own clinic, but just down the road.
Not too far.
Yeah, 1008 Airport Road.
And you're having a ribbon cutting.
Yes, we're having ribbon cutting April 26th at 4 o'clock to officially open our new clinic and welcome everyone and let everyone know that we're there.
Okay, and the two four-legged ladies will be there as well, right, at the ribbon cutting?
The very good probability that they will be there too.
Okay, well, I just can't say enough good things about her. She just really does have a calming effect. You said that petting an animal lowers your heart rate. Is that true of any animal or just the calm ones?
Well, the calm animals help, but usually it's the furry ones.
The furry ones,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah,
not like snakes.
Snakes and stuff. They can be helpful, but they're not quite as calming as usually dogs and cats and stuff are.
Dogs and cats. Good to know. Good to know. Well, Doctor, thank you for coming on our show, and hopefully you'll come back and bring Layla. She had a calming effect on everybody here. All right. Let me.